Welcome back to 4 High Garage. We're going to do a Tech Tip Tuesday on a Friday. We're going to talk about gaskets for your differential instead of RTV. Check these guys out. Lubelocker. I mean, the name alone makes me want to buy it. I wasn't originally going to shoot video on some simple maintenance of the front axle, but I remembered I put a Lubelocker gasket in here. If you guys aren't familiar with that gasket, it's a reusable gasket. This one I think I've reused a couple of times, so I'll inspect it when it comes out. But I've already pulled a couple of bolts, and look how clean that bolt is, not covered in RTV. And you will see how clean everything is without RTV. And it is so much nicer to do maintenance when you don't have to deal with cleaning up all that RTV. Look at that. You can still feel a ridge on that a little bit. Though I did buy a new gasket, so I think I'm going to just go ahead and replace it. But I know for sure that I've taken this off once or twice already and reused it. Oh, a little slime down there at the bottom. Yeah, I might have gotten a little water in there. It's a little grudgy. I don't know why I put my finger in that. That's a terrible idea. And here's the back differential. See all the RTV inside the bolt holes hanging off of it. The cover. It's coated on the inside and outside. And then the bolts. Bolts are covered in it. So much cleanup. So much nicer just to get that Lubelocker gasket. Yes, it's a little more, but it's worth it. So put down that room temperature vulcanization cream and pick yourself up a Lubelocker. We're men. We don't use cream. Cream is for body fungus and regrettable one-night stands.